Want to make your WordPress site stand out? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to edit your WordPress header to update your branding and give your website a fresh look. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more website tips. To get started, head over to wordpress.com and log into your account. Once inside your dashboard, click on Edit Site to open the website editor. From here, select the page where you'd like to customize the header. Now scroll to the top section of your page and click on the header area. This will open the header settings where you can upload a new logo, change your site title, add a tagline, or adjust the navigation menu. Take a moment to preview your changes so everything looks great on both desktop and mobile. When you're happy with the design, just hit save in the top corner and your updated header will instantly go live. And that's it. Your WordPress header is now customized and ready to impress. If this helped, make sure to subscribe for more quick WordPress tutorials.